Kaizen is a tool under the lean toolkit, which simply means continuous improvement. Kaizen is a Japanese word. Kaizen is a Japanese word where K stands for change, Gen stands for better. Changing for the betterment is nothing but Kaizen, right? And see, there is a statement given by Henry Ford. There are no big problems. There are just lots of little problems. Any company producing any product or services, problems are created by thousands of people who are working in the company. Can you convert all these people into solution providers? That approach is called Kaizen. Starting from from the top CEO till the security at the gate, you can enable everyone to give constructive suggestions. Enable everyone to give constructive suggestion. And when suggestions are given, you evaluate, and then best suggestion should be implemented. This is called Kaizen. Everybody is empowered to do a small improvement. Thereby organization gradually improves. And now, in order to help you understand the power of small improvement, we are going to do an activity. And for participating in the activity, all of you should have a pen and also your notebook or a paper. Right? Please show me that you have a pen and notebook like this. I have a pen and notebook, right? Do you all have? Yes. Those of you participating, you show me. I'll tell you what you need to do. I could see 4 people are participating, right? RK sir's Pareto principle is working always. So 20% of the people work and remaining 80% benefit from
benefit.
Very good. Now
very good,
yeah, good, fantastic, good improvement I could see now.
In fact, I have noticed when you were trying to tell in the last time, she answered in the chat box, but immediately realizing that what you intended to tell, she came back on the video 2 times.
Very good, very good.
Thank you. You are shy, but you are overcoming now. Congratulations.
Yeah, fantastic. See, we want to see.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, fantastic, Saranya. See, we want to see a positive change in all your abilities. We want to recommend all of you for some good opportunities. But if you, you should come forward to take it, right? Good. And now, those of you who are on the camera, those of you who have the notebook and the pen, now I am going to give a small task to understand the power of Kaizen. Kaizen is small improvement, right? And the power of lean. What I will do is I will show a set of numbers and symbols in the screen exactly for 45 seconds. Exactly for 45 seconds. What you need to do is you need to memorize the numbers as well as the symbols. Don't be over smart. You should not take a screenshot or you should not write it down, right? 45 seconds, you just have to observe and then memorize.
I see 2 people sitting together also. So no don't combinedly do it separately.
But no problem, no problem. All right, is that instruction clear? But because you should not later blame me. Later on, I will expect you to reproduce it in the notebook, but not now. When you reproduce, the number and symbol should match. Hope the instruction is clear. Your time starts now. Right? Exactly 45 seconds. Go for it. Right, 45 seconds over. So now I will give you another 30 seconds to write it down. Try as many numbers and symbols you can write, but it should match. Your time starts now. All of you can try. 45 seconds for observation and now 30 seconds for writing it down. Let's see how you perform and let us look at your results. Okay, 30 seconds over. All of you can stop writing. Don't worry about your performance because we are trying to understand case and we are not assessing your performance. Now, if you see the number and symbol matching, let me show it again. If you see the number and symbol matching, right? If you see the number and symbol matching, put a tick mark. Now do a self-assessment. Do a self-assessment and then share your score through mic one by one.
5, sir.
Okay, Vivek has got 5. How about others?
10, sir.
5, sir. 5.
Aranya also got 5. Very good. Surya, how much is your score?
10 out of 10, sir.
Oh,
7,
Hari
sir.
Prasad,
10, sir.
Sir, 10,
Hari
sir.
got 10. Ritam got 10. Toshak, you also got 10, right?
10, sir. 10.
Yes, sir.
Very good. How about Joel? No, Hari Prasad, you have song also playing on the other side. Right. Joel. See, the advantage of coming on video is you can be truly focused in the training program. You are cheating yourself. If you give, see, that means your process is definitely unlean. If you do useless work, that will spoil your useful work. That is what we learned, am I right? When we do an useless work, that will spoil
sir.
your useful work. So we need to understand which is value adding and which is non-value adding, and then we must reduce non-value adding so that our value adding work will improve. Right, Surya, what is your score? What's your
10,
score?
sir. 10.
Okay, so many of you got 10, but few of you did not get 10. And then I could see a lot of people typed it in the chat box, 5, 6, 7, 8, fantastic. And now, what is the problem? Why all of you are not able to score 10 out of 10? But the expectation is everybody should score 10 out of 10. Everybody should score 10 out of 10. What is the problem? Is that instructions are not explained clearly by me? Or is that you have any difficulty? Where is the problem? Is it people are the problem or process is the problem? So
Presentation, sir.
maybe, right? So instead of blaming people, I wanted to look at my process. Instead of criticizing people, I wanted to criticize my process, criticize and system. So I will slightly improve the process. So let me slightly represent it. Represent the same numbers and symbol. And now, do you find it easier now?
Yes, sir. Actually, I was trying to find a pattern which I couldn't find.
Yeah.
So probably that was the reason.
So now I am presenting to you along with the pattern. Now tell me, do you really require 45 seconds to memorize these numbers and symbols?
No, sir.
How much time you think you may require? Let us redo it. Let's see if it really makes a difference. How much
10 to 15 seconds.
Oh, really?
30.
For 15 seconds. I am okay to give you all of you 30 seconds
30
and
seconds.
the result improves, right? So your time starts again. Just memorize 30 seconds now. Let us see what happens to the result. All right, time up. Can you now reproduce? Maybe I'll give you 20 seconds now. Try to write down the number and the symbols. Now you have 20 seconds for execution. And that's all. Can you check now? Can you share your score now? Can you share your score?
10, sir.
Okay, now, since a pattern is understood, since the numbers and symbols are logically positioned, you are able to score more. Am I correct, Vivek?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, others, all of you are able to score more now. Is there an improvement?
Yes, sir.
Improvement.
Not only scoring, sir, but even the time is reduced.
Wow, great observation. This is what is called lean. Not only your performance, your effectiveness improves, your efficiency also improves. Sir, not only my score is improving, time also it's consumed less. That means no, your improving efficiency will also improve your effectiveness. Or it can be either way. Improving effectiveness can also improve your efficiency. These are interconnected. You need to understand. That is why Six Sigma thinking as well as lean thinking is important. Six Sigma is all about perfection, accuracy, defect-free products. Lean is all about efficiency. Efficiency drives effectiveness and effectiveness drives efficiency. And both will drive operational excellence. Operational excellence means high quality products and very low operational cost and higher profit. Customer is also happy, business also happy, right? And it is not the end, right? And continuous improvement is a never-ending journey. Always there will be a scope for improvement. And now, as one of you told correctly, the time required was also reduced. I wanted to further improve. Further improve means, let's say, let me give you another pattern for the same thing. And now, do you find it still easier? The next level of Kaizen?
Absolutely, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, tell me how much time you may require now to remember and then to write.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
So what you have been struggling to do in 45 seconds, you are now saying that you will do it effortlessly within 5 seconds. And all of you are now sure of getting 10 out of 10. So effectiveness is assured. At the same time, you are super efficient. Any small improvement in a workplace, small improvement, if it helps in in your enhancing your efficiency, that is called Kaizen, right? So Kaizen means small improvement involving every department, every individual in the organization. Right now there are 100 people here in the meeting. All 100 of you, if you do one small improvement in your campus, you see, an enormous difference within, few months, isn't it? So same way, there are 1,000 employees, starting from CEO till the security at the gate. Everybody can give some constructive suggestion, and suggestions will be reviewed, and then whatever implementable, they will be implemented. You all know there is a company in Japan called Toyota. Near about 20,000 employees, they gave 99,000 suggestions. 20,000 employees gave 99,000 suggestions, and then 90% of the suggestions were implemented. See how they practiced, Kaizens. And it is the key to efficiency. In a work environment, in an industrial environment, it is nothing but logical pre-positioning of tools and material. See, when you try to remember the number and symbols, it is nothing but you are storing an information. You are storing an information and then you are retrieving an information. Similarly, in the work environment also, if you carefully look at the activities that are performed by people, it is sometimes storage, sometimes retrieval. People may store material, people may store tools, people may load the machine, people may unload the machine. There's nothing but storage and retrieval, right? So if you make the storage and retrieval easier, work can complete in less time. At the same time, the effectiveness will also improve. So make the work easier and comfortable to the workers. Provide assisting devices, adjustable work table. For example, instead of picking up a tool and then doing the work and again placing the tool back in the position. Can I think of hanging the tool in front of the worker? If the tool hangs in front of the worker, instead of picking the tool, I only hold the tool, complete the job. And then I just leave the tool. When I leave the tool, automatically it will go and settle in the place. These kind of small improvement will make a big difference. This is called Kaizen. Creating mistake proofing systems. Mistake proofing. Even if somebody want to commit a mistake, your system will not allow. Such things, these kind of small improvements are called what? Kaizen. So in order to better understand what Kaizen means in an industrial environment, let us watch a video. So I will share the audio and then play it. And Prabhakar, you can stop the recording during the video playing.
Okay, sir.